Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, I'm a little late in reacting to this glimpse, but right now I will be watching the first glimpse of Ram Charan and Janhvi Kapoor starrer Peddi. I hope that's how it's pronounced, Peddi. So we have the first short glimpse, and it's been a while since the release of it, but I somehow missed out on it. But I'm really sorry, my fault. So yes, the music for this film is given by A.R. Rahman. I have no idea what this film is about, so let's watch this first glimpse shot.
ఒకటే పని చేసే నాకి ఓకే నాకు బతికే నాకి ఎంత పెద్ద బతికేదు
Okay,
ఏదైనా ఈ నేల మీద ఉన్నప్పుడే చేసా
I do agree with that. I like his look.
చెప్పే
Peddi. Oh, oh. So that's the typical A.R. Rahman beat. Oh, that's 2026. Oh, it's a long way from the release. Okay, interesting. Let me stop this. Okay, did not know what to expect except going in. I liked Ram Charan's look, and after watching this glimpse, I like it even more. He looks amazing, fabulous, solid screen presence. But what was surprising was that this is essentially about cricket. Not about, but cricket is a very central aspect of the narrative for this film. And I'm completely guessing here, but it seems to me like through cricket, Ram Charan's character is probably defending his opponent. I don't know who his opponent is, but it seems like okay, if he wins, he is going to protect his village in some way. That's what I feel. That's what I feel. I'm sounding like I'm saying Lagan's plot, but it could be something like that. It could be something like that. I think A.R. Rahman was the perfect choice to bring in to do the music for this film. Because he was so good. And I'm thinking from Lagan's perspective because that was essentially about cricket and oppression and winning and all of that. And here also, because it is in a village setting, I feel that the music is going to be amazing. I think he was the perfect choice for a music director for this kind of film. Obviously, the slow-mo shots we're gonna get, I mean, it's a Telugu film and they are masters. This industry is absolutely master at making, when it comes to a massy film, representing the hero. And the mass and the emotion, the blend is just so well done in Telugu cinema. They're known for that. This industry is known for that. And I feel that Ram Charan definitely deserves a huge, huge blockbuster and a film not like Game Changer. I'm sorry, guys. That was just torture for me. I'm sure there are people who love Game Changer, not me. But this looks great, actually. This looks fantastic. Just the last scene of, I think that's his probably signature shot where he just storms the bat and then he hits the ball. I like that shot a lot. So, but how the cricket element comes into this story and specifically in this village, are we going to get introduction of other players as well? What's happening? I think there are a lot of elements. There are a lot of elements that needs to be uncovered, and I'm actually very excited. This looks great, and yeah, I don't know if I should categorize this as a sports drama. Maybe not. Maybe not. I think we don't have enough info to know that. So we will wait for the promo material because this is just the glimpse, and this movie is almost a year from its release, so a lot of time is left. But the fact that they have released the glimpse so early on, I am guessing they have a plan to how to actually promote this film, because when it comes to cricket, this sport is like a religion in our country. So they have to be really smart about it, and they have to really ensure that they capitalize on that emotion of cricket that we all hold, to ensure that the marketing is just bang on. But at the end, it's always about the story, and without a good story, there's no good film, as per me. So yes, anyway, I'm going to be waiting for more promo material from this. We will see when it happens. But that was my reaction. Those were my quick thoughts on Peddi. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think this film is about? Let me know in the comments. And with that, I will end this video here, and I will see you soon on the next one. Bye.